All right, well, we got a snow-rain mix here in Denver, but I see the sun popping out, so before I do anything, I gotta get a new deck.
You're doing literally one day everywhere.
Yeah.
That's it, just one.
Yeah, so I mapped out how I did it was, I'm sorry, I used to work at a shop. I'm sorry. All right, take care. So I started in Maine and I Googled the most efficient way to drive to every state.
That's really cool.
And you realize all the parks tend to be in like pretty much major cities.
Yeah.
They don't put parks where there aren't people, you realize.
Yeah.
You know?
This state is crazy. There's everywhere there's any kind of population, there's at least one park. And it's all concrete, free, and outdoor, and huge. A lot of them are huge.
Yeah, I've been hearing about so many like awesome parks around here.
Yeah, there's over 170 skate parks.
Really?
In Colorado alone. Yeah.
Really?
There's a map.
Holy crap. This map
right here. I would say 95% of these are worth skating.
Really?
Yeah. Like there's only a handful of prefab ones that I even know about. You know who Team Pain is?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of them are Team Pain parks.
Oh, really?
But you can do like a camping trip where you just like do I-70 and you can hit like all these parks and then do like a loop back around and come back up.
Yeah.
I can't believe there's that many skate parks. That's crazy.
Which is weird because in actual Metro Denver, there's what, 2?
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, there's Denver Park, which is downtown, which even if you can't skate it, go look at it. It's cool. And there's a great skate community too.
And what's
active.
Speakeasy Colorado?
That's this website. Speakeasyskate.com. So you can go on there and like see. They have like every park geotagged with like photos and
That's all that green national forest. So that means you can camp on there for up to 14 days on any of that land. As long as it's not private property, but as long as it's a national forest, you can pitch a tent for 14 days.
Literally.
Damn. Really?
Unless it's private property.
Yeah.
You can like pull it around the side of the road, pitch a tent, build a fire.
I might.
There's no fire ban.
Yeah.
I might have to move here.
It's pretty amazing, man.
That's crazy.
Legal weed, I don't know if you partake in that.
Yeah, I've heard.
Didn't they just legalize mushrooms or some shit? Decriminalized mushrooms. I did. Well, nice to meet
Thanks
you.
for everything. Thanks, guys.
Sure. Yeah, nice meeting you. Thank you.
All right.
Need anything in the water right now?
No, I should be good with water. I have a quick question for you.
Yes.
All right. I'm here for one day in Denver.
Yep.
And here eating. What should I eat? What should I get? What's your favorite?
Are you feeling lunch or breakfast? That's my only question. All right, I'll give you the options. I got like 3 options for you. Favorite thing on the whole entire menu is going to be this katsu curry chicken sandwich.
Really?
It's delicious. Tons and tons of flavor.
Okay.
The barbecue bowl is probably my number 2. And then if you are in the breakfast mood, you got to go breakfast burrito, load it up with whatever.
Yeah?
It's super yummy as well.
No, I've heard a lot about the green chili.
Yes, that's a Denver thing. So.
All right, so we'll do that then.
Cool. Egg and cheese or the vegan option?
Egg and cheese.
Egg and cheese? Yeah. You want to have broccoli, avocado, anything like that? I usually toss broccoli. It's pretty good.
How about avocado? We'll try.
Avocado?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so just got to the Denver skate park. Thought it might be dry here, but just started coming down pretty hard. So that's it. Gonna have to wait until the indoor skate park opens curbside. They open at 4 o'clock and it's about 2 now. So I would have liked to hit the road a little earlier because I have a 6.5 hour drive to Arizona, but yeah, definitely not skating in this. What's up?
I'm Ryan.
What's up, Chad? Nice to meet you, man. How are you? How long has this place been open?
Year and a half. We had it before this. It was called Skatetuary. Okay. So we had the back room where that red door's at. There's a huge other part of the building. There's like 4 other businesses in this whole building with us.
Okay.
But it was just too expensive for them to keep, so they sold all the ramps and they closed down. And So we came in and built all new ramps and everything like that.
I worked at an indoor park in Long Island, and same thing. And I'm noticing that pattern everywhere I go. It's tough to sustain the rent of a big place. You started as a nonprofit, or?
We are a nonprofit.
Okay.
Yeah, we do free Friday barbecues on the first Friday of every single month.
That's
so
sick.
Come by, you know, get free food and come skate for free. Get, you know, used to the park and stuff. And,
Yeah.
we do a ladies' night too on the first Sunday of every month. So ladies come by, skate for free. Pretty good.
Alright guys, this place has a perfect mini ramp, so I think I'm gonna try to learn that fakey big flip 5.0 270 today. Alright, I've been trying for like 10 minutes, haven't gotten into one yet. Alright, so I got into it a few times, but it's like my shoulders don't want to be turned that way. It's so weird to like be ready to 270 in. Alright guys, not feeling the flip tricks today. Gonna switch it up to a trick my friend Joe Face came up with. So 180 fakey 5.0, like a half shove it in. Let's see if I can get that. Such an awkward trick. It takes so much body control to not like keep turning. Just stick one right here. Alright guys, taking a quick break. Alright guys, Mini's a little crowded right now. I'm gonna have to just try to stick it and get out of here. Oh no, someone hit it and it wasn't recording. Someone like bumped into it and moved it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do that again.
Alright, do a little more. Alright, well, that trick was way harder than I thought it was going to be. For some reason, I just couldn't stick it. Like, I was getting close, but I just couldn't put my feet on it. So I actually ended up landing one, and then someone bumped into the tripod and missed. It missed the trick, so I had to redo it. Ended up not coming out as good, but I'm psyched I learned the trick anyway. And I'm psyched on the scene in Denver in general, because every kid at that skate park ripped. So it was just cool to see. Now I have a 7-hour drive to Arizona. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.